standard to achieve an IAS officer. You
young students, and I think you may be better able to understand if I speak in local language. First of all, Unacco location, it's a very fantastic, nice location, and I'm told by the chairman that all of you have come here very recently on 5th of April, and it's a residential school. So many of you may be feeling homesick and all. Are you feeling homesick? Yes. Good. Yeah, it's natural to feel homesick when we come out of our houses and then move to new places. But it's a part of our life, it's a struggle, it's the starting of your struggle. We have to endure so many things in order to become a successful person. Yantai ko, nakoi yumdagi lakna lagasu, nakoi yumdagi sida homesick oiba aduguba amta phawganu, sidagi henba Hajabai School si Manipur dai layroi hai nei thamge ko. It's a very beautiful campus. Sidan nokoi mayamna Dehradun da chatladana Assam Valley ama pan arap da chatlai. But hojiki Unacco ki layriba campus hi wakandadi I also feel why should we send our young kids to other states? Being idagi Dehradun da thaduna, Assam da thaduna, Yamawana, Aduna, do kimati hena homesick oidorini. Adamaina thaduna karido bugi thamgodoino haibutu homesick. Adugi question to arise because the campus is so beautiful, and Unacco has also magi kuiraba Unacco school kinosida yamna chawa contribution number lairaba yamna phaba kinomani aduna all of you sida laibising si hai khodi career ki Fajana Togani Unacco School. Then, as is the motivational book, Nakoida, I issue Punsiwari, Mate Tamge, so that Nakoida Sukitan can be motivation, motivated or we about Tangadum, Yawadina Koidum Kanan and Kali. I think 1992 go, it's long back today, now is 2023. 1992 the school kawa horisi go first KG tamakose 1992 way back in 1992, so now it's almost 31 years. 1992 the tamakose na akoy matamda the situation was not that good. Yamna hojiki lariba when mobile phone ama technology everything matamda the laibe nate adon matamda the akoy like tamine dum chachapagi wani ang way I see the go understanding la pasi yap thing understanding la pasi the tapna la have tare. And every time I used to fail in every this especially this maths. Every time I used to fail. Every time I do homework matam di kuting to ho jana scale na homework to tabagi kan na se am yaw me why I maths to class reading it don't say them to them can yaw me hojik food re ko jana food yad re matam di tawnarami ako sa dugi face to na ngai adam nung tigi khut oi amuk ting thok ni yet amuk ting thok ni ko swaina la was at class 6 7 power I used to fail in mathematics 7 power ko adagi school sina mo jana purakani ki bagi homework to bagi chatloi dogi amuk lethokani chatloi dogi amuk any reason excuse piraga chatna ba che tawani adagi baba ina mo fu dogi mo tanagani school chatabagi ko matamgi environment do school si akogi campus sumaina chaw leibna tabadagi haidi matamda akogi learning method teaching method different or me then different times adna sumaina ai yu su angam ngi da like to farak then sometime class somewhere in class 8 kumba kar ko matam sidati some changes la ko hoyi some changes ka main to gedam mioi base everybody every each one of you is gifted by God. You are gifted in one or another way. Nakoi singsi amana laite am farambe kana gumana laite farambe sports farambe so gifted oi ba nakoi ta tum yawang baneba kana gumna maths am farambe kana gumna English am hairbe yam tum no adaptability legi be swaina nakoi kuding maksi ki tuan ba sona sema ko ta nakoi si miyo bisida gift amount yawreba adu class 8 kuma kar kuma tum sidati ai maths da fail oi ai je maths I want the reasoning anka is kaino anka is nothing maths is nothing it's about logical reasoning I want the wakhan khan mango ko tamdi ai anka si oh sumain to udi sumain to dong ni have say I want this hana pot ta jare jana tak sumain to dong ni si sumain oi udi sumain oi dong ni have say bathang si chatla gadi som karom lak ni have logical reasoning ama yaw ba hore once adu yawgi legi aina class 8 karakadagi ne aina pick up tawri sigo class 8 karakadagi ai pick up tawre ai class ami chang kunmuk leiba class da ai maning adwai le bale class 8 karakadagi 8 ki final exam tha ko tum sidini ai si rank si 20 yo nung chan mangam then 9 karakadagi ai na honor ka 9 sidini koi ai si top third ta chan mangam third rank tai Tian kam dari first yang tanggung makrebo. Isada hai bitare, isada masai confidence sama lakpo. Confidence is very important ko. Confidence sama lakpo. Then engon na masai ki isona pirak po hai gidra timing nama hai bitare. Timing do engon da chana go timing nama hai bitare. Engon da hana. Engon loksin bang amon da ba mayam sini loksin bang amon po. Adagi ai kan na honda po. Honda ba sidi yaw da biade. Mioi ba honna ba hai bis yaw de biate thani amna lari phabu ro ga su chana honna ba isa gi kino ma hard work am di chane ba hard work am chane adu me am du to ro kan da adu communication me am du la kan sida hard work le ba then luck le ba adu gi sigi kino me am su le environment sin le da di success am line wo ni am si ai be hai ge ko adu ai to duna I know class 10 the position I live you see I never imagined I the class 10 the first division the past on mudra khalam ni class 7 ga kar puda adigi mathematics si pass on mudra mathematics ki mahutta sindok pe aba substitute ove aba mathematics tha je su ya bale di athani ga de ki am me bisa ya na ko lots of fear I used to have lots of fear adugi me am singdo sai ga ina class 8 ka bis ni ga kan na honara ga hai bitare ni kan na honara pa digi ai gi kitang knowledge option bar la pe timing ji da kan na honagi digi ai overcome to ngom na in class 10 ka ba digi all state level di competition mathematics competition to ba olympiad to ba state ki to per ta ba rank 1 to 3 ta ba ya siam ingona yam line ngam gre ba sigo me am ji kai de la ki hai mi tam da ai hotna ro ba then I give guidance, just guidance. I give even see the job roles. Parents sing parents, I give parents, your parents, roles I'm sorry. But one tabak suraga will line tambalapa. Just the way you are here. The way you sit down, example the tamisi, free the tambalina de the call. Parents in one tabak suraga. Mang sing like Panabo, Mang sing. Then mi ama orak na ba hoda bata adugi ke adugi de makta waras wana ina ko da thamaga ngai si anana ta wai ne ba aduna satra mo ina ai gi parents sing gi honda jaman ai gi uja sing na ta iba pauta sigi mayam sing se siam na lotion ba da ka wai ko na hoi amaga satra ma sen su amaga coordination leina ba amaga cooperation leina ba then Uza's guidance. Uzana high leadership say whatever your teachers are telling you, that is for your betterment only. That's for your welfare only. Nanti kala na bang ata never. Aduda Uzana high leadership in bed yang na derkawai. Parents na high in bed yang na derkawai. Ngasigi matamsida nakoi hojiki angang oiba nakoi na angang oiba nakoi na angang oiba there is a huge difference. During our time, I mean, when I started doing my graduation, I started having mobile phone. Hojiki, even my 3 years old daughter, she also knows how to use a mobile phone. So there's a huge technological gap. Aduna nakoigi maturity and since han akoina lainay matam sahiga hujiki matam sahiga yamna kenarabadi nakoy yamna singaba matam sigi yam singnaba nga ngatani aduna nakoy singsi hena haiba tare akoina khangam iba changdagi hena khangba yaay yam hena nakoy the knowledge khangba yaba loksin mangamba akoy yam akoy di class 8 9 bukaw yam pang na learn hojiti nakoy yam singna class 4 5 ke ngang bawa yam singe aduna habi nakoy da yamna loksin mangambagi khambagi knowledge kano to gi kano se nakoy da singda se to kimati yam na hele ko nakoy la iba singsi main objective amam ro yawani yawdra nakoy objective gi hona ai pilot oiningi ga haiba astronaut oiningi doctor oiningi engineer oiningi sumaina makhan ai lawyer oiningi ga haiba yaw da bro yawe doctor oiningi ga yawge engineer oiningi ga yawi IS oiningi ga yawi IPS oiningi ga yawi IPS apa kata nyawa ini macam kata very good asal niyam ga adagi kanu ini badi businessman ini badi oh yang pai sumaina si lay si yang pai ko si lay si pagadam ni angang wari ngai jadi makan mayam luong we ke supai ki angang wari ngai wakan wonse aina class 6 ka mo tamda I wanted to be when I was in class 6 I wanted to be a pilot. When I was in class 7, I wanted to be a doctor. When I was in class 8, I wanted to be an engineer. Every year it changes, but it's good. Your mind should not be fixed to one thing. Nakoy da si curiosity ama sarang na kasi oni mapambagi kinose. Si poko dabli. This has to be there in each and every one of you. Si curiosity apambasi, kawambasi. Mana doctor ini hai ga ina doctor ini hai na tabak ai gi mana buduna doctor pa ni ai su apam bam lai ai su architect oi ni hai ai su lawyer oi ni hai ai su jik BBC da media gi ke no oi ni hai different ai apam basi sin lai gi dam ne ba ado na koi na ni apam da khatang chat pa na taba ai isa gi apam basi lai gi dam ne ba na koi si isor na pisor ko da oi ni jaw ba ne ba अखोई पुलिस की ट्रेनिंग तौरसी IPS की ट्रेनिंग तौरसी नेशनल पुलिस एकाडमी सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल नेशनल पुलिस एकाडमी हैदराबाद तौर हैदराबाद से मेन गेट की चंगपा खितंग मीटर चाम चलगा क्रॉसिंग मूर्ति मूर्ति से कई ओनली जस्ट ए ब्लॉक ऑफ स्टोन ने कनाम की हकते सम वही कर वही से कई नखोई पामीबा नखोई ममीदो सिगी मूर्ति सिगी नुंग से ब्लॉक ऑफ स्टोन से लोने यावरबनी अदुबु मसिदगी नंग करम पामी हैबदि नंग नसाना हक्सगदमने ग्यान तारबा ईश्वर नखोई से लोने पीरे ईश्वर सुमाइना मूर्ति अमा गुमाइना सुमाइना नुंग ब्लॉक अमा गुमाइना पीरेबा सीजन नंग डॉक्टर पामे इंजीनियर पामे बिजनेसमैन पामे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन पामे नंग नसाना हक्कदबने पामे वंगो अइना इसी बॉडी बिल्डर पामे अइना हक्कदबनी अइना IAS पामे अइना हक्कदबनी पिथोरकदि लोय पिथोरे मसाखना पिथोरेबा you all are gifted by God you should understand this but what do you want to become what kind of statute you want to make out of yourself that you have to do the work of chiseling properly that work has to be done by you yantai ko ai wakhan da khallak aduni aina lai ama yeke hai ta gadi ai ngon da wakhan ma khan bam sandra sangba sandra aina lai ama yeke hai ta di wakhan da khan bam sange ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯏꯃꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯏꯃꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ just like that ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯃꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ सिगुम्बा आई करी ओइनिंगी आई फ्यूचर दा करी तौगनी आई करी पामी हाइबिसिंगसे नखोइना उरिबा अकोइबदा उरिबा मयामसिंगसिदगी नखोइना खल्लगा नै खंजगदमनेबा इसा मनुंगदगी सि थोक्सहलकदमनेबा अदुमाइना मनुंगसिदगी हे थोरकपा मा लाखिनेबा हौजिक नखोइना खंगबे नखोइना अउबा अकोइबदा उरिबसिंगसिदगी इमेजिन तौरबे याम थौबनमनि हयेंग खरा चावरागना मो खरा चावराबा ग्रेजुएशन तमक्पा क्लास 11 12 तमक्पा तमदा from inside of you something will come out that I want to become this adu sigi mayamse the foundation of all these things has to be done now yantai go when yung have the foundation kalli si karino hayeng jwar harako matamda niglak pada kinna nabnatro jwar kanna harasu niglak pada kinna nabigidamukta koina foundation si kalali natra sumiko when yung mama sage tagi mathon manga wang yung mama sage tagi foundation has to be deeper if I have to build it first only G+1 house foundation may not be that deep but if I have to build a G+5 house foundation has to be very deep atwaina nakoi na hayeng if you aim the moon nakoi foundation do makha foundation has to be also very deep aduna hojik matam sidagi nakoi si semgadabni different tamba talents mayama ayogadabni khangogadabni ko nakoi basai hay nakoi marakta IAS oiningba yauri IPS oiningba yauri doctor oiningba yauri engineer oiningba yauri si mayam singse hoina hayeng chawpa matamda hayeng si akogi objective aim and objective si akoi it's not only just to become a doctor engineer and IAS and IPS the objective in the longer run is to serve the people work properly serve the people work efficiently haiba mayam si tawpa matamda nang kari darkar ori skill mayam darkar ori you need lots of skills mayam talent mayam darkar ori skills makan soft skills dagi horaga skill mayam darkar ori kaneba adui mayam singse hayeng koina lai ka tang pakhai ka tang tharaga pawo tamsida walakpa mayam yaro kaneba hoi isamak tada hoina interview sa matamda hoina awat pa thingni hoi isa da awat pa thingni asima suwaina improve tawramadi ko haibo khalak yawi ngang badagi sakpadagi oibe hai kinoma haibdagi oibe akoi awat pa yawreba sigi mayam sing se hujik nakoi sigi stage sida class 4 5 6 7 8 hai stage sida hai hugadam neba nakoi gi soft skill loina hai huna bahona gadam satra noi lari sing se ko iba hina bahona gadam ni ngang ba hina bahona gadam ni makan talent ma hai tare ari different hobbies you need to have different hobbies wow hobbies hai bisi like classroom ni nataba extracurricular oiba nakoi di activities kar lai gadam ni only lai katang para yati ko lai katang para yati lai katang pane have you lai katang para yati some different other fields are required exercise wagera kainom sanaba wagera kainom lai ko wagera something skill among apart from your textbook knowledge Sidagi beyond this, you need to acquire some skills. Wow. So masa singsi hayu ragadi na koi ge when personality ma sem ko tamda no koi gi personality ma sem ko tamda it will give a very good image. Wow. Personality ma pung bhawa very developed personality ma sem bangam ganeba adana koi singsi sigi environment si yamna suitable loiba koi side ba co-curricular mayama then extracurricular skills mayama develop to we aba honing different skills adugi yamna enabling environment ma ne ko ni lei si ko ana sigi kenu singsi phajana lehuna ba skill set mayama lehuna ba hona gadam ne ba yantai go akoi hojik pi banina yamna henna duna kenu to ba khangam da bisiyai but then sumaina people si khangoroi class 4 dagi kino tamgi khangoroi khoi ju KG dagi hoji matang loiraga master loiraga thabak chamaga sigi post parak besi in a very short, even if it's about 30 years, I think it's a very short span of time. Khangong beva haugi ba khangong de matam na ko adu matam na haugi ba khangong dabni na when you are very old there are things that you cannot change ko haugi ba past you cannot change it nang improvement you can make some improvement but hojik nori ngai da tahudra nang nasai mapung phana nakoi na pami ba kanu si oi hobong amoi ko na sigi angang oi gai matam si this is a prime time we have to take full advantage of this prime time sigi matam si da develop all the things that is required to be developed when you become an old when you become a grown up man or when we become a responsible person. Aduni masagi akoi na so hai giba civil service thaba pami ama pami yaurokani si bayam singsi kayam kena tawgeda mioi basi IS IPS oil have basi not everybody is going to become an IS IPS. In a year about 700-800 people are selected by UPSC, but about more than 10 lakhs people apply for the exam. Aduna ratio si am name manina mi lakh tara pe ga thara inkalo si mi satre chani pan khalak dawi all India yoina aduna mi pun buri makse khaniyam pharga su khalakpa ngamoy ba mi khara ma khangi ni khara me lai am pa mi chu kitang either ma hona ba wat pa yoy ba na lai kitang ma gi lak chana da ba matang adum geno da dum khalo ba mi buri makse loina fa ba me am all India gi thara tin me ba aduna sigi thara mo tam sida nakoi da am hona ba ya na kan ba ma changi hona ba am kan ba lots of sacrifices required sacrifice me am I 2010 da BTech loile 11 phawa government private company da thapak tawre 12 13 se amu exam se thagi khalak da gi lai pa mo horokuni lai pa ba horok si da mo asai gi Delhi da isi ahan da Hyderabad da thapak tawromani adai Delhi da chat da dia si Delhi na civil service ki hub ne da Delhi da chat da honor pusida lots of difficulties I face. One of the major difficulties is the financial difficulty. If you stay in Delhi, like if you stay in Delhi, it's going to cost you at least minimum of 20,000 per month in today's debt. That's also not in a very good space, good place. Wow. Adagi coaching nonging to it's costly again. How's it coaching to 6 months ki course ki I don't know how much coaching centers are taking. Matam duda lupan lam khai swai sang lo hawiti la ani mu hila manin khale adu ki knowledge so hawti kya lo di leitre adu is going to be very expensive affair adu na ila sahi ma lo ga thabak to batung da ina I enroll myself for a master's degree MA program in GNU in MA economics. My main objective was to cut off the expenses on rent, cut off the expenses on coaching. So I have not done a single coaching for UPSC exam. I have cracked MPSC exam, UPSC exam without doing a single coaching. Wow. See, kari na have that because that time I mean ako isu I want also financial can also I saved some money during my this 1 year stint as a software engineer. That was not also that much that time because of recession and all. Adugi paisa khare save ta udu pura ga Delhi da chale JNU da entrance thare MA entrance thare MA si khale MA de hostel fange then hostel fangamina JNU is very cheap hostel fangamina I don't have to pay any hostel fee. It's I think it was very nominal 150 rupees per month something like that. Adugi matakta some scholarship magi merit come means scholarship hai monthly ki 3000 pibam lei aduma phange no coaching aduna whole campus da loin confine to ga hai tare ne larik pabsina ai gi akoi ba singsi UPSC thaba mi am leibalina si imanabas khara khamnaraga group semaga adumaina pagi aduna coaching sikim chatte aduga laiba UPSC thaminarpa hana tharamba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ the whole complete one year complete say I stayed in the library all the time. I wake up say daily times. I wake up at 7 a.m. have breakfast and all. 8 a.m. I will go to library. 12 afternoon we'll have lunch at the library canteen. After half an hour or 1 hour after that koi library amuk changani evening pung mari manga da amuk thorokani cha pung mitranga pung cha thangani amuk changini horen pung tari makhai tar pung thorokani dinner amuk chani pung khai am half rest walking win chalani campus manungda adu library amuk changini pung baro tar kan sida amuk baro dagi 12 hingi pung baro sidagi amuk library dagi amuk halaktoi me bakada hostel kada the whole day sida nongmada pung kunmari lebisin the hostel only for sleeping. My hostel room was used only for sleeping in the night time. 7 hours of sleep, that much only. But rest of the time I'll be always in the library only. I dedicated my whole 1 year like this, without meeting my friend circle, without meeting. Genuinely, lots of Manipuri people were also there. My friends, so many friends are there. But when I have to target on something, I have to sacrifice everything. Wow. Complete sacrifice. I didn't meet my friends. I didn't have party with my friends. I didn't have dinner with my friends. Whole year, I dedicated myself only for study. Only after that, I got my confidence back. Other than civil service is nothing. I can crack it very easily. So that year in 2014 itself, for the 13th MPSC exam, I am line CE MPSC UPSC but easily I cracked the exam because I was aiming for the moon. So see rooftop city am line target si target building skyscraper it's going to be easy. Then UPSC also first attempt I didn't clear the prelims also. Second attempt that time I cleared prelims mains. I went for interview. The interview people see I see had a light walk. Interview then exam I missed the result by 3 marks. Like that, after that I joined Manipur Finance Service. Manipur Finance Service 2 years continue Finance Service joined another attempt I gave. Then that also I cleared the prelims and mains exam. Adus interview the mark ani wala mugla hore. Adagi isaji khoidogi sawalene. Suk yam na wa na hona ba kinatoraka dum lehowa ma ani khara wat hum khara wat tawsidigi. I sometimes felt that I should quit now. I sometimes felt that I should continue with my finance service. I mean, it's taking my time, taking my energy, and then I'm not clearing also. So that time I got some kind of frustration. I wonder, demotivating aduna asai wana chahi ama honrakpadu lemna muktabu aduna adugumba phawmo tamsida sineba khogi new weekend da aina lokhoida pining masiko akhona successful ne chum chaling khaidi as long as we are successful, as long as we do not encounter any kind of failure, we may be very happy, very refreshed and all. But when you meet any kind of difficulties or when you meet failure, how do you deal with such kind of situation? It's very important. Many of the, brilliant people, when they meet failure in their life, they cannot, control their life, and some of them might have committed suicide also. Some of them might have, gone here and there also. It's very important for the teachers also to to tell the children, educate the children how to deal with failure also. This is also very important part of our life that I would like to stress upon. And nakoidasu angang oiba nakoidasu adumaina hayeng noisi sum pharambadagi pharaktaba phaba sigumba adum thengrakane bako sumba thengrakpa matamsida nakoina yam phajana deal tawba nakoina kaita ai kanna honnage ai amukka hena honnage haiba wakhansidagi hena wakhan choithoidabneba adumain tawduna ai third attempt muka last attempt UPSC ki PBC khalakpa ki PO na I tharoi sira khalameba. I thought of not giving the exam, but then I gave the exam. I decided that I'll give my best this time, and this will be the last attempt. I won't give, even if I have lots of attempts, I won't give more than this attempt. That was my fourth attempt. So I decided like that, I prepared like that, then that year I got selected. Adayna khalai masidagi halakdagi di ai masi to masi chai khudingi aina chai khudingi hekta adum attempt lai thaya ponate masidagi hen bai to pai thabak tamai mai puna to bane hena phai masi ge attempt sidagi ai loisilani sidagi ngamdra to ai ngamna be to le ngamdra to kare to atmai thagan sida yaure khalai ne atmai tar ko adu I want the time management ki adum awaba dum lai pegi I was working in secretariat and MSPDCL da posting ani talami adugi shuti shu yam lawba yadaba exam manung khadan lawba natana adu thabak ani taw na exam thabagi khidang awabum di leiragasu masagi ai dedication aina dedicate tawjiki bido dedication tawjiki bhai tare adu na maram oiduna masi exam si sumain taro khale ko aduna nakoi angang oiba nakoi singnasu hayeng nakoi na kaino ma tawning matamda you need to sacrifice so many things. You need to work hard. You need to think only about your target si phatana khanba your goal si phatana khanbam da ko and nakoi da goal amam loi legi dongni ngamoi da bam da leite nakoi gi legi stage sida wakhanda hojik IS thabi wakhanda nakoina tamni ba kanu singse nakoigi tammi ba kholi ba myam ujana ta iri singsida yam phajana nakoida khangning ba ma yawaga hona bam da ka oiba adumai na hona rakanda di it's going to be easy different phase in life different phase da matek tum lakhi gane ko aduna adugi phase hayeng hoji pi ngai sidagi I want the khang ba ka ngo ka lowa patience lehoba then I want to say target oriented goal setting to but simba mayam mahitare some values masa haitare nakoi school sidagi tum kana bo phangani ani kali adu swaina ai sagi duty khangba ai responsibility khangba sumba khangagadi ai life sida aina kai pami kai tawni haiba aina honna ba matam yamna line thukane ba and laiba pot khudimaks arubom tanate difficulty lies here difficulty akoina sa in luna khal le hai poche sidang atani ko ta atani aina ko ki barrier se aduna confidence ki role of confidence in students life confidence si pochi kai de ka ye the over confidence ta confidence ki poche aina ko sida I can do this haibagi wakalonam leitra leita di you can do it. If you think that you cannot do it, then you won't be able to do it. If you have confusion in your mind, then there is a possibility of 50% successful or 50% not successful. So if you believe 100%, if you believe in you, then you can do all the work. Prithvi sida arumba podam talaite isana wakhan sida ai ngamnen khallagadi ko akoina long distance marathon cheli singse marathon kilometer ni funi thoi chen ba kai da cheli singse 21 kilometer ni funi thoi cheli singse you ask the athletes in the hangover all those long runners who are running 42 kilometer full marathon and all they will say that they are not running with their feet, they are running with their brain only. When they complete 42 kilometers, what they do is that they control their mind. They give moral support to their mind that you keep going on, keep going, keep going. Khung sidina, your feet too, they will get exhausted in the first 10 kilometers. But what keeps going is your mind. It's very important. When the lamsang chelapumatam, the Hoisu Marathon chelapunina, training matam, 21 kilometers for chelapunina Kangeva. Kilometer Tarachematam, the Shaju Ware Krongsi. But what keeps me reaching the final position? What keeps me reaching my destination? Adu the Agi Wakalon Geneva, I chang in Nico, I chang in Namnava chang in Wakalon Chilatum, Tao, see that to chat never. Adu Nakogi, no mental thinking can say, I'm strong and the Gawai. You need to be very strong, not only physically, but also emotionally. You need to be very strong in your mind, willpower, and the labor mother Gawai. But then, you should not give up very easily. If you give up very easily, nang report to achieve the living example for all this thing is your founder, I would say. Your founder is the living example. When 2000, I was probably in class 7. Unacco, and then that time it was not a big institution like this today. Patience like the today, even after 23 years, after 23 years, contribution in the society, schools, it's a great achievement. Easy money pamba, fast money pamba, adumba sing mayamdi ut wai udunalone tumnagre. Yantai go. Many of those who wanted shortcut in their lives have been banished from this planet, I would say. Some of them are in jail, some of them are this and that. Aduna, easy, shortcut sina koi life the among ampiable. And the koi the nang racing in hiding is shortcut do not trust in shortcut. No, shortcut see the life is successful shortcut later. It may take time. Some of you may be very lucky. Some of people, officers are very lucky that they could crack the civil service exam at the age of 21, 22. But 90% adunati, 90% 27, 28, 30. So right now, we are no one of Aduna, one of the Magisu, Mahi, Nungaiba Legani, experience my am legani. Adana Koida Masaki Hamna, Kanoma Popriade. I see actor, Masi, I Pangnabadi, Kanahona Kadamiadu, I see Tokay, Kenotoni have a Adumbo Kalondi, I warning day, Rangoring, I think that some patience, some developed to see and palming Kali, patience, a shortcut. I anyhow would achieve to be a shortcut season or to shortcuts the Poidum can't give each hours or what are the shortcuts in life. Shortcuts is seen anyhow. I cannot talk Tony Haviateva. Say, Uzana impressed on Nobody Haidana. I homeworks to Uzoitana, Imana Laga, I Uzana Yem, that's Musi and President Taway, or not Dragana. I homeworks to wait the day, parents the Babato view, Romato view, Haraga, Taholaga, Uzana Laga, Sam Haide having a tababa. Even if you cannot do it, it's not a problem. You learn to do it. Your teachers are there to help you. Adubu, I impressed on the Haidana, I know Oida Baina Tawla, what the Hajinaga, Tawlia Devago. And some good values, Hang using that. Honesty, honesty is very important. Honesty, Yawdagadi, Yaroko. Or not successful in any field. It's not only about the position, it's not only about wealth, it's not about money. It's about respect. It's about respect that you get from the society. Even if you're a very rich and very well-to-do person, if you do not get respect from the society, what is the purpose? drug yolaga paisa mayam paire hain khalasine ko adu mamidu society na nusigidra nusirodra hairo nusiroy go adu nati pamisi afaba tabak tawraga mayam na sak khangaga mayam ni su tabak tawbiba mayam ni su mating pangbiba mayam ni su seva tawba ako aduna khoi gi objective ne ba khoina ultimate objective se go aina mi khudimak service tawnerisi kaino han oisu kai oisu tabak tawga mayam gi dum engage tawni bam poi si kai gino se ai contribution in the society contribution pi ne ba hodari ne ko sumaina khoina lai tamisi su it's not ai gi tulop chana khatang it's not only for getting our salary ko it's about giving back to the society ko aduna society da you need to give back to the society also hojikna society na khoi mayam si support to bigani khoi mayam support to gani khoi si to gani oja mayam si to gani mayam sina na khoi bong support to gani aduga hayeng na khoi na chawko tamda mo we have to start giving back to the society for that adu society da give back to pi na bagi damta na khoi da some good disciplines then na khoi da good moral values lai mamana ka hoy ko we should not be very greedy ka we should not be very greedy we should not be very selfish adu hatang khanba yade isa khatang khanba yade mayam su khanga dabi aduna khoina taliba kholiba haidiba mayam simse tamna aigi stage samyo ko matamda mayam damo piba ngamnaba adu khona gadamne ba asiyum mayam simse nakoi hojik pi ngai sidagi nakoi siyum singsi khangba daga hoy ko khoina tamiba ai maths ta science ta tamni singsi after all it's not for anything else ai science ta angka holiba mayam physics ta ke to de mayam singsi ai chumna angka du hola ba nateba it's not only for solving the problem on paper it's for solving the problem in real life for the people for the welfare of the people and adugi objective is to yauraga kan na honagadani yamna aduga ai tamyam sangna lawroi noi ngang tanina winning ba khoning ba siyawmani ko adubu after all masi motivational talk haibani na nakoi da kitang ai gi wari su khare share to bani so that nakoi na kitang khangning ba yawasu keno to nakoi da kitang inquisitive oi bana koi su same problem thing na ba le su nakoi kitang inspire oi da di yam kana ga ni khale aduna ba koi gi no problem okay adugi exam tha da khanda bado first attempt I didn't clear because I didn't work hard aduna ai yam kan no honagi de try to be masi kamai to ge tha ge ni first half like am padring ai ko aduna adumadi ai ngon ya na nuai ta ba phau gi I was checking the water level in my first attempt I didn't prepare much so I just give the exam for checking the water level after checking the water level I realized that I cannot treat this exam very lightly so adu keno dine sai to after that I started focusing I dedicated my whole 1 year completely without meeting anybody without meeting means without going out here and there without doing party without wasting time in leisure activities and all adu dai kan na pa gi hai tare sahi ma ko I whole timing is 8 am to 12 pm in the midnight ko see whole timing say library da I dedicate to ga dai kan pa gi am kan hona gi adu mu masai gi atop matam adu gi kan na pa ba timing du dai interview chang khalak ta ba timing do interview chang khalak ta ba timing du di I see patana matha sai I took near about 15-20 days see I was kind of not talking to anybody kind of not depression but then kind of I was very not willing to meet people also I mean not happy not in a happy mood but then I controlled there I expressed my sorrow or whatever after that abi matung da di ai misi gi amuka kanna honna lagi having wakhalo na mo yawa ai pa gi ko na self control is very required sometimes you will get motivation sometimes you won't get motivation from people. Aduganda isana self motivation is very important. Ai isana self motivate to wam change self motivation to wam ko. Akoi society si amna lubne. Society will praise you if you are successful. But if you are not in a position to help the society or nang fail oi bata abadi society se nang harau dam ne ba. When exam khalakpa matam da ni si loi ne changne ba ko. When we become successful, everybody comes to our house, says you have become successful, chak sa si edu to si chak me am cha si ko chi ha taw khane ba adu exam khan da timing da di exam khan da timing da di as du madu na du like pa de ne to oi roi ne oi du ya de ne du am option di smaina society sin ngang e ba ko society se adu na koi na sigi stage la ko tan da thengari ba pressure se it's not only ai exam khan ma khan da du khatan na tab da society ki pressure se um ju thengai ba mi si hek khan ra ga di as madu oi roi he na ha bi lo gum ba khan la ga na hek na cham jin lo gum ba sigum ba society ki pressure lai so aduna isa se mentally am strong and emotionally you have to be very strong. Emotionally strong emotionally strong oi ba khatan tan si sagi self motivation is very much required. Advaina self motivation control to ba changi control to ba se no yang jangan class 8 ka ji dum ko bu hai dia ne nang wakhan nungai tre hai ta ga di kana gum makhar hai ra pre wakhan nungai tre ga di as yu thau si ga da nungai na ba yu thau si hai pre ha si hau ji ina no ko da hai si yu gi palli si kai no because class 8 kum ka ka yaw ni na ko si gi dum 9 yo da si gi stage si dum yum da ke da thok da dum theng da ra ne ba ko aduna sigum ba next
Know you all now, and today we have a very meaningful and wonderful special guest to talk to you. It is the first speaker and the first for your life in the Unacco school. Chanung, are you enjoy today? Yes. So Shivakanta, Kesi Shivakanta, si Kaching the Guinea, Kaching Kangwea, Hong the Yamani, and Huzik, Ahmad Impal West KSP or me, Huzik Impal East KSP, Oire, Masi, software engineer or me, Matamra Hyderabad, Adi Manipur Finance Service, Sahira Ledami, Adu class TNC, PR, Padamaratana, English School, Kaching Yamna Pava, school ni. It is one of the very oldest and very success school, Padamaratana English School. Sigi school is the key. IS officer mayama, IPS mayama, IRS officer mayam photographer school neba. Kaksing neba yam like to have yam develop toba akoi ki Manipur ki lamdam makhangni masi yam chawthok chaningai ni. Hari basi aduga masi 2016 dak akoi IPS na kanmani adu amutang thaba da kanmanati. Sahi mayam sahi taren sahi 2010 11 ni thaba ron parikate. Sahi umuri nga thari baniu. Mana angang wari kita pinjai dah class 4, 5, 6 abada kasih am lari kahir kan laku nanti noi gum nanti siapa nih ba jam dah hirak pun nanti ba class 7 8 tegi masana hining aku kalau nih pun tegi macam pagal laga class 10 tu pun level pun ni aduna say my dear students you very short aduna nakoi nak kangga dapat nakoi je ujek still you have time nakoi ki macam lagi hona bayari noi namang dah nakoi ki IPS officer akoi ki sar Shivakanta hona ki betul na nakoi je ujek hona bayari. You have time. Ako Unacco school Chanung ni kalibasi not only apabo doctor natraga apabo satro orga doctor engineer obang atanate matudagi ahen ba civil service changdana IS oibadana IPS oibadana Indian forest service changdana mayam torga lamdamji hena phaba sa koi mi puthokdana hena phaba satra oidana lamdamji seba tongno pandam lingkat pani nakoi nasu apam mayam yauri tongan ba simpham da changi ai ba masini akoi ngasi pame basi masinagi ngasi akoi khangok ba ya ba je nogi mang de lengjel le SPJ IPS officer je yamna paisa nung sa pai ga yam nungai ya phung de horo ponate noi gumba khoi gumba sama noi mung de lak ne na khoi na bo hena nungai ya phoi mung de lak ne adu jimana hona ra pa wa ya Delhi de le lai ba sei kya le lai ba lupa saunga na hata ma chatri na tha ma chara le le ise how we suffer how we work. So money alone is not a criteria for success. Adu mahate khoi khangok ba ya ba je no substitute for hard work. Ako ki mai pa ke gadi kunsi da hona ba kan da ba ya de ba hona ba kan ba ji mahut sin ba ya ba ama bhog leite ai hona da bi da paisa na tawra kan lai ra ki hai ba ya de no substitute for hard work particularly IS kumba IPS kumba hore ibjidi yam hona dragadi yam larik pada yam discipline lejagadi hekta yabana te hekta sang da leire na tara paisa pai ne oi yabana te aduna akhoi nuksi da ba satra jing koi da haining je hona ba kan ba ha lepya de pusi da mai pa khair gati hona da ime amjini class 8 9 de hona matang hona re jine perka tha de around sahi tara ne ar hona jine su kan da ngasi apha mi oi dana IPS oi dana imphal gi iski west ki SP oi da bini sima aduga punsida afaba habit amadi hainabi si ngalli de tambada ka le habi machu hairame adu sai Delhi de yong lari pa matamda chahi ama ji adum lari pare nong da pung tare ka hostel sang tum manatana adum library de lari para ni jenu lenge da madumana lari pa daga di imanaba koi chatri manab tin da laikai ki thaban chung chatra matang matang tharau kuma yaw le ga dina khoi afaba mi oiba afaba mai pa mi oiba di yaro if you want to get something in your life you have to sacrifice something aina oiningi bab to ogi khaliba simpham do madu oina ba tanana holakpada agi nungaiba agi imanama tinaba koiba chapa langba chapa ngauchanaba adugu mayam khara di thadok tabe yaroi adu loina tawle ga di pusde mai pa ko oibe yaroi bje akoi noi namang de lecture liba si special guest oina special speaker laiba koi Shivakanta je ma masanu sakini mana nga sai gi laipa matam da mamanu mayam koi chat thaban jong chat le magadi koi chat le mi chat le magadi restaurant da cha tha coffee tak le magadi ma ngasi IS auramoy adru hona ba kanda badi yate ko isa sa akoi nuksi ba satra sing ko na koi kau kunu ko mai pake ga di pusida hona ba kanda ba smaya de hona dragadi ba yate ai basima aduna only nong da pung tare kadang to mi pung tara ka mari manga lari para ne admai para kanda da ai ba satra ba satra oi rei bani aduga last da di mana aham da IS khandre masang da muk tha ba da ko gi MCS tha ba da akoi Manipur finance service jong kalle adu aroi ba dang tang tha ge na tha ri jong akoi aroi ba 2016 je khalle de masi da aroi boina thar ge ekta honaraga last attempt ni mana akoi gi aroi boina thar ge to 2016 da IPS khalle je sumaina akoi je aroi bi da akoi pandon hona ba hona da ya de ai basi gi lone example like how many things you have to sacrifice. Do you know Bill Gates? Do you heard Bill Gates? Yes, Bill Gates is the founder of the Microsoft. He is the software developer. Bill Gates works 72 hours continuously in his room to develop Microsoft software. Imagine how much commitment, dedication and hard work Bill Gates does. These are the extraordinary human beings. If you want success, you need lots of hard work, discipline, commitment and passion. Masi kauganu aduga simaju haire and there is no shortcut for success. Mai pake haragadi hekta samjan be ade. Sometimes your shortcut may lead you lots of pain in your life. Ada punsida phaba mi oige mai pa khair gadi samjan ba yade haibase ngasi akoi mang de lefamiba akoi gi ngangami akoi IPS officer Shivakanta na noida hairam iduni sahi tara hena like parai ni ma a class 7 I 10 MA loibok par matang pa dana honoi do mana kan hona gi ngasi noi gi mang da laktan ngasi IPS oidana Imphal gi superintendent police oidana noi mang ngang lai je adamai na khoi jo isaza ai nu sino sa ta si kan no hon ragadi na khoi gi punsida na khoi na pami pandam do soidana phangi mai pakani aduna ai hona matung ina ai gi punsida reward lakadabani adunga si ebunu misilai sigumba afaba mi ngangamba mai pa ba punsi gi mi ngangamba si yam chahi de hengadi akoina khara hale akoi di 2000 side koi business horabani ai mangon do ta hangini akoi gi yam akoi ngasi Imphal we akoi iski SP gi orba daina ta like yam par haugi bane ba class 10 all Manipur gi topper oi bane mase Delhi tamaga IS ko oidana akoi moinaga IS phang moinaga 10 gi first up ja akoi interview lo ne bate akoi jinoi khangani IS ko akoi interview lo ne ba admai tawdana akoi na reception to gi gango ni mo je akoi job view ga ja akoi IS hango to na akoi interview lo gi bane akoi na sillaga amai tawdana ngasi di younger generation mayam mu thole adu makoi khudi mang oirei ba mayam je success oiri mayam je hekta oiba nati ba hekta tarak nati ba kyam kan hona gi ado ngasi di pung makak taw budana khoi ko chanya mang ningo ngani kangi matam theng nai ni am hangandrabadi ado mathang dadi akoi gi nogi SP sahib se amuka kauraga phajana nena tana akoi gi chakka chaminaraga phajana wari otai je pung amani sasi madu thabak yam chinmani Imphal East ki whole district simana loina police ki SP oina senari bani ado ju nakhoi myam nusi bagi chatra gi ni haraga dai lakane lai di kaino da masu mahatsu nomadi nakhoi dauna hogi ba ngang ne kanjeng gi padmar tra English school da adu ngasi si ora soidana ma khalang mane man satro gi punchi do aduna ngasi satra gi nyaga dai lake lai ne chingraba mi ne ba district SP ga na khoi gi mrak da ji punga mani pham le ra lafra ba akoi Imphal dai la ga this masi yamna sini akhoi gi mayam gi phana ba akhoi mai pa kan da mayam ngam ba to ba ji yam nungai Unacco school chanung gi ju khwai ti mai pa na hoba success nu mini adu khwai ti gi akhoi na pam jaba speaker ma su lae madi angang ji khwai ti motivate oi ga da ba. So the Unacco school chanung is well started means half of the journey is already done. So thank you very much our special guests and my dear students. Now the program will be ended here. Please come the boys, we have to take a picture here.